Keel-billed toucan. The keel-billed toucan, Ramphastos sulphuratus, is a colorful bird known for its oversized rainbow-hued bill. Also called the rainbow-billed or sulphur-breasted toucan, it is the national bird of Belize. Physical characteristics. The toucan's most distinguishing feature is its massive, colorful bill, which can be up to 1/3 of its total body length of 17 to 22 inches. The bill's appearance is misleading, as it is surprisingly lightweight due to its hollow, bony structure covered in keratin. The vibrant green, orange, and red coloration of the bill helps toucans regulate their body temperature by controlling blood flow. Plumage. Its body is primarily black, with a bright yellow face and chest. It has red feathers under its tail and green skin surrounding its eyes. Wings and feet. Keel-billed toucans have broad, heavy wings that make them poor long-distance flyers.